Hey, this is Rich from HouseBarons.com. My brother Dave and I renovate houses along with Dave's son Caleb. And today we want to show you how to unclog a shower drain. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing because we want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. Right, Claire? This is a job anybody can do, and we're going to be using a tool called the hair snake. You know, it's just a piece of plastic and it goes down your drain pretty far and it's got these little teeth on it. And it's going to be very effective for getting whatever scary mess is down in that drain. We're Amazon affiliates. We do receive a small commission from qualified purchases. So we're going to put our Amazon affiliate link in the description below so you can get your very own hair snake. All right, here's the shower in question. It is a nice walk-in shower. So I'm going to show you what happens when you turn on the water. Okay, I ran that for just a little bit and you can see that there is standing water there and it is draining quite slowly. So there is some gunk down here. The homeowner put in this little screen here, which is a good idea. You see that's all gunky and needs to get cleaned out. But down the drain there, you can see the water is not draining very fast. So there's definitely something clogged. But here's another little item that you can purchase. It's just this little screen and it'll help catch a lot of the hair and gunk so that you don't have to do this too often. All right, so let's break out the hair snake. The fun thing about the hair snake, it's made by a company called Cobra. All right, we have unleashed the hair snake. You can see it's pretty long. So all we're gonna do is put it down in the drain, do a little fishing, and whatever comes out of there is probably gonna be pretty scary. So we've got a bag and some paper towels, and if you prefer, you could obviously wear some rubber gloves or something. So sticking this down the drain, and it's getting some gunk. And getting some more gunk. All right, so there's the gunk that we were able to remove with the hair snake, and that did cause our slow drain. See how it drains now. So that's draining much better than it was before. Pop our screen back in. And we've got a functioning shower. All right, just wanted to go over some of the pros and cons of the hair snake. So as far as the cons go, the only real negative thing about it is that it's not all that long. So if your clog is further down in the drain, this is not gonna work for you. In that case, you would need to go and get one of those snakes that goes like 15, 20 feet down the drain, and you can pick those up at the hardware store. But as far as pros go, this hair snake is very inexpensive and it's actually quite effective if your clog is, anywhere within about 1.5 feet of the top of your drain. So overall, I would definitely recommend this product because it's so simple to use and it'll take care of the clogs that are near the surface of your drain. I hope this helps you unclog your shower. Pick up a hair snake. They seem to work quite well. If you got anything out of the video, please hit the like button. It helps out our channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thanks much for viewing, and we'll see you in this video.